Let's make these super easy, beautiful, paper flowers. Start with a square piece of colorful sheet. Fold it 3 times, each time folding the piece into half. Fold 1. Fold 2. Fold 3. Next, give your fold a leaf-like shape using scissors. Let's unfold. Now, cut one of the petals. Leave some part of the petal intact, and apply gum to it. Stick it to the adjacent petal. Use a sketch to make the middle part of the flower. Now, use a scale to give final touch to the petals. The beautiful paper flower is ready.